Want to freeze your WhatsApp last seen in chat without being online? Make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version by opening the Play Store and updating it if necessary. First method, when you receive a WhatsApp message, swipe down to expand the notification. Now type your message in the message field. When ready, click on Send beside the message field. Now, your messages will be sent without you appearing online. Second method, turn off mobile data or Wi-Fi. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat where you want to send the message. Write your message and hit Send beside the message field. Close WhatsApp and clear recent apps. Turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Wait a few seconds for the message to send without showing as online. And that's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.